We're at Kyocera SGS. Now, 2016, you had the VIP Aerospace Day. It was a fantastic success. 2018, what's happening?
We're doing it again. You know, what prompted this was before, certainly 2016, we found a way trying to get to Farnborough. We had to set off very early in the morning to find parking. Then we would struggle to find decent breakfast in the place. So to show our customers and the industry that we care, we decided to put together this sort of events. And for the second time, again, this year, we are allowing customers to come here, park their cars, enjoy breakfast with us, do a bit of networking, see some machining demonstrations, and by 10:15, we'll jump on the bus and straight to the show. And then back, we wait for you there, and yeah, back around 4.
But Jose, it's not just about breakfast and car parking. You're showcasing other things as well, is that right?
Colin, I would probably say it is about breakfast and car park. Certainly we know it's not the whole thing. We really enjoy bringing the industry together and obviously asking our partners to join us to show the latest. On this occasion, it's going to be a great platform to relaunch our technical center and show our latest developments or technologies for aluminum aerostructures machining.
Okay, well, first of all, technical center, what's changed there?
Well, I would say in a nutshell, we have got a brand new grot machine, the G350 Gen 2. And you will see when actually visitors come over, there's more room. So we are actually incorporated more space for our visitors.
Yeah, and the grot machine is really impressive. But you also mentioned tooling that you're sort of showcasing there as well.
That's right, and that's actually, I was talking about APR 3 and 4.
Okay. Now I'm assuming 3 and 4 flute tooling.
Wow, you know the stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, I've done all my research, don't you worry about that. But, you know, what is it used for? And I presume this is a component here you've machined.
This is just an example of the different components we could machine applying the APRs, the Advanced Performance Rougher. And on this occasion, of course, then we incorporate the finisher, the APF, Advanced Performance Finisher.
Okay, so looking forward to that. So it's not just about your car parking and the breakfast. So how do customers get involved?
And we're forgetting one thing. They will also get a complimentary ticket to the show. And it's nice and easy. All they have to do is just go onto our website, kyocera.sgstool.eu, look for the event, click on it, register, and specify the date. As simple as that.
Simple as that. So get yourself registered, basically.